It is very sad news for everybody, and we are deeply saddened of the demise of Pranab Babu. Pranab Babu, as a personality, he was what not? Politician, good administrator, a thinker, a writer, and of course, he was the president of India. He was liked by everyone. All sections of the people of India used to respect him, regard him, and as a guardian, he advised the not only different political parties or forces, the entire country listens to him very carefully. I have seen him as leader in the opposition, also in the ruling party. He was minister right from Indiraji's time, and I had the privilege of working with him in last UPA government. He was finance minister, defense minister, whatnot. He was practically managing the entire show in the cabinet, though, and Dr. Manmohan Singh used to pay high regard everybody. And in the cabinet, I have seen whatever he says as if he is the final word. And in the parliament, any crucial decision or discussion, if there is any controversy, if it is to be resolved, it is only Pranab Babu whose intervention really resolves everything. So he is like a guardian of the country, and always country first, nation first. So though he was representing a political party, Indian National Congress, right from the beginning, but all political parties, all political forces across the board used to respect him, listen to him carefully. Even the social activists, and particularly with me, I had a different bondage with him because I have been working when I was minister in the last UPA government, and also when I was the minister in charge of parliamentary affairs in Devegowdaji's government. Then Congress party used to support us. I authorized Pranab Babu that whatever decision you take, I told the vice president, whatever Pranab Babu says, that is the final word of the government, though he was not in the government. So he was a different political personality. He is a rare political personality. In any subject, he has the mastery. And his relationship with regard to Odisha is, he loves Odisha. Always he used to come. Whenever he is in Odisha, any time, whether it is cyclone time or flood time, he used to come. Even in the scooter you have seen, he used to move to the people. And Lord Jagannath was whenever he is here, or whenever somebody goes from Puri with Prasad, Jagannath Prasad, he used to so happy. So always whenever he is in Odisha, he will go to Jagannath temple to pay his respect. So he has a special bondage with Odisha people, and I had that privilege to work with him, and I was blessed by him, and I am fortunate that I used to work. And the day when it was decided that Pranab Babu will be the choice for the president, he was ISI president, Indian Statistical Institute, though he was minister also, but that department was under me. So he called me, Srikant, have you taken my resignation, accepted or not? Because I have to file my nomination. I said, sir, it has already been done. So he takes every aspect, everybody, and due respect he used to give everyone. So that is his attitude, and he is a voracious reader. You cannot imagine the kind of voracious reader. He used to read and read. And meticulously he looks to every, agenda of the cabinet, every paper of the parliament, and he goes to parliament in the early morning, and till the late evening he will be in the parliament, around parliament. And he mixes with everybody. So that is his personality. Country really missed Pranab Babu. His advice, he was Bharat Ratna, he was best parliamentarian. Any award you can say that is there for him. So in this crucial juncture of the nation, his demise is a great loss. Not only to any political party or particularly Congress party, it is a great loss to the nation as a whole. So I pay my respect and regard, and I pay my condolences to his family members.